To modify the shroud, we're going to attach it to the enclosure just temporarily. And you can just snug these screws because we're going to take this right back off in a second. Make sure the fan shroud is tight on here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find where this gap here intersects, and then we're going to go below the fan. The fan is about 1.25 inches thick. There's going to be a temperature sensor we put here, so we need to drill a hole there. If you drill the hole too high, then it will run into the fan body, so don't do that. If you have any doubt, you can take the fan off and see how thick it is, but I'm putting it just a few inches down, and again, I want it to go right through this hole right there, this gap right there. So I'm going to put the hole right there. It's a 3/16 inch hole. The second hole we're going to add isn't required if you have an 18S Plus and an 18S Minus module, but if you have two 18S Minuses, it is required. This is a 7/8 inch hole, and it goes on the flat spot of the enclosure shroud. There's a wire that routes out through here and into there. So now we'll take the shroud back off. With the shroud off, we need to cut these two ribs out because there's going to be wires in the way.